Well, alright guys, here we go. So, I've unboxed a few things as of late, and now I will unbox one more, because why not? Why not? Let's do this quick unparceling. This one might be an easy one. Let's hope. Let's hope that it is. Yay! It is great. Again, I don't get to keep all of these things, obviously. I don't have an iPhone 13 Pro Max, but if I did, that would be cool. Although it'd be too large for me, so I'd complain about the size, because I usually use small stuff. But this looks like it's going to be pretty cool. Let's see. Made in Korea for once. This is not a Chinese product. Anyway, we're going to open it up and see what it's all about. See if it looks good. I really like the cock.
Likey.